What's going on, everyone? In today's video, we're going to be going over the BullX Neo Early Access trading platform. So for those of you guys who are not familiar with BullX Neo, pretty much what it is it's a crypto trading platform that allows you to trade on different blockchains. So the main one that most people are trading on right now with this whole crypto pump meme coin season, all those huge pumps that you're seeing is Solana, obviously, but on BullX Neo you can also trade Ethereum, Binance, Base, Arbitrum, and Blast as well. So that's the BullX crypto platform. Other thing is with BullX Neo, trading on this platform right now gives you the opportunity to earn BullX crypto airdrops. So for those of you guys who don't know, BullX is hosting an airdrop for people who are trading on their platform. So basically, just trading on the platform and referring people will get you points onto the leaderboard and potentially get you airdrops. Obviously for the BullX currency. So that's another reason why a lot of people are, looking to get into BullX and get access to, BullX Neo Early Access. You do need to have a referral code. So I will go ahead and link my referral code down in the description below. And if you guys are interested in BullX Neo Early Access, you guys can go ahead and join down below. And if you guys aren't familiar with the referral program, basically it's actually pretty good. You get a percentage of your friends' trading fees, and you also save 10% on trading fees. So by getting into early access through a referral code, you'll also save on referral fees when you're trading on the BullX Neo platform. So that's another really great thing. So now we're going to kind of go over how you can use the BullX Neo trading platform. Keep in mind that this is still BullX Neo Early Access, so not all of the features are fully implemented, but there's still a lot of things that are useful for you if you are looking to trade on these different blockchains and these different DeFi coins. So the first thing you have here is the new pairs. So I'm only really trading on Solana, so I just have it set to Solana. Obviously, if you're trading on any of these other networks like Ethereum, Binance, Base, Arbitrum, or Blast, you can set it to that as well. But yeah, for BullX Early Access, I'm really just using Solana for the most part. So yeah, like I kind of mentioned before, there's the new pairs, right? So you can see the newly released pairs on whatever blockchains that you have toggled. So you can see all these are new coins that are being released on the Solana blockchain. So with BullX Neo here, you can see you can go ahead and set a quick buy amount, right? So when you see that there's a coin that you want to buy that's popping up, you can immediately put a quick buy right here. You can also see the audit report. So on audit report, basically it tells new tokens that are issued and crash the supply. Is the token data mutable? Like, can the developer hide the token data? Is it freezable? Like, can trades be frozen? Like how with GameStop and Robinhood, the traders will go ahead and be screwed out of their trades because all trades get frozen, and all the other stuff that you need to know just to verify that something or a cryptocurrency that you're investing in is good. So there's the new coins here. You can adjust by liquidity, market cap, swaps, volume. I typically look for volume and swaps to the market cap because I want to see that there's good volume and a good amount of swaps, which indicates that there's people actually trading the coin, right? So then you can also use these filters as well. So you can go ahead and further filter down the coins that you want to see. But for new pairs, I just want to see all the new pairs that there are because I don't really want to miss anything. Like there's new coins coming out basically every second. So yeah, if you filter out coins, you're kind of defeating the whole purpose of this page. And then of course there's the advanced where you can set up auto sell strategies, but I'll go over that in another video. Now on Pump Vision here, you can go ahead and also take a look at new creation on Moonshot and Pump.Fun. So I typically have it set to only Pump.Fun tokens because these are typically tokens that do a bit better. If you want, you can experiment with Moonshot as well, but I just personally go for Pump.Fun when I'm trading. And as you can see here, these are the new creations. So the most of my trading I do is on about to graduate and graduated because these ones, like, they're not completely brand new. Some of them are completely brand new and they get a bunch of money fast, but like this one, I would assume that this is a whole bunch of different coins you can see here. I personally set the settings to see at least 10,000 market cap, so I filter out some of the noise. I'm here on about to graduate here on BullX Neo. And then in the graduated section, oh damn, that token already graduated. That was quick. You can see that I have it to $15,000 minimum market cap. But these are tokens that have graduated either contract to the Radium network. So these tend to be a bit better, a little bit more developed, and tend to have a lot more volume. I tend to trade just on ones that have good volume compared to the market cap and a lot of holders. So that's another thing you can see here is the holders, the amount of holders on BullX, Photon. So the amount of people who are trading on these platforms, and then the amount of people who are just buying the contract. So amount of wallets that hold cryptocurrency. So that's the pump vision section of BullX Neo Early Access. We'll go ahead and show this next part, which is the Explorer. So the Token Explorer is just basically, typical Token Explorer. It's like Dex Screener, but it just has, your trend tokens. You can see on the Solana network, and then, like I said earlier, if you want to filter it, you can go ahead and toggle the other networks as well. And then there's the major ones. You can set a watch list, and then you can see your own positions with different meme coins or tokens or whatever it is you're trading. And yeah, this is just like an explore page. You can see the trending, the gainers, the losers, and the most recent tokens that are coming out. And yeah, you can see some of these have really, really good volume, decent market caps to trade at, things like that. Some of these have gone to completely nothing, $83. So yeah, of course, invest at your own risk. So that's the Explorer section of BullX Neo Early Access right now. And then there's the automations that you can set. So if you want it, like I said, set the auto sell strategies. I'll go over these in another video with the settings that I use. And then there's your portfolio analyzer, whatever. There's that. And then yeah, if you want to actually trade coins on here, so like let's say I'll do a quick trade right now. So let's say I wanted to go and trade on, let's find one with good volume. Let's say Jail for Jalusi. I have no clue who that is. But yeah, so the buy and sell settings, right? I'll just go over these real quickly. So you can go ahead and of course check these charts, the different time indicators that you can set. So if you want to see on 3 minutes, but for most of these coins, you're going to want to set it on a second because these things go up and down really, really quickly. You could apply indicators. So, it's just your typical trading platform. You can kind of see what's kind of going on. There's advanced decline. Play around with these. Yeah, so there's the indicators. You can also see the dev sells and trades on here. So like, let's say I want to go on to, I do not want to go on that one. So let's say I wanted to go on to one of these coins, like Gregata. You can see when a dev buys the token, when a dev sells the token. You can see all of that. And yeah. So you could also reset the chart data. Right. So you can see that the dev bought here, and then when a dev does sell, you can see when the dev sells their tokens as well in the chart. So in terms of buying, you have your standard, you can choose the amount that you want to buy. And then in terms of these order settings, there's a priority gas fee. I put it at 0 when I'm buying in most of the time, but if you want to, just speed up your purchase, you can go ahead and set a priority fee. Same thing with the buy bribe, speed up your purchases by bribing with a little bit of extra tokens. Basically, like if I'm buying right here, or I'm buying at this price here, and then the price goes up more to 30%, it's not going to put the buy order through for me. And then there's MEV protection, which I only really use for selling, which is if you're trading with a lot of money, it protects you for if the market just crashes, right? So sell priority, I always, I don't really play around with the priority fees. You can play around with these if you want, but I set a slippage limit at 100%. So just in case the price starts to crash, I can get out no matter what. Even if it crashes 100% and it crashes another 100%, I want to get out the first 100% it crashes, right? So yeah, that's the buy and sell settings. That's just kind of a brief overview of how you can use the BullX Neo Early Access platform. If you want a BullX Neo Early Access referral code, like I said, I'll go ahead and link it down below in the description for you guys, so you guys can get access to BullX Neo, and you guys can skip the early access waitlist for BullX Neo and get immediately to trading and making some money off these meme coins. But yeah, I hope you guys find this video useful, and thank you guys so much for watching.